Now, let's have a look at the data fields. Data fields are the building blocks of your guest profiles. They appear everywhere in the check-in app, your guest list, name badges, emails, and RSVP forms. There are already common default fields you can use, such as guest name, company, email, phone number, and guest status. But Check-in Packs allows you to create up to 15 custom fields. Let's create one. Click Create Field. A new field appears at the bottom. Give it a name, for example, Type. Why Type? Because we want to categorize our guests, VIP, speaker, press, and see that information right when they check in. Keep it as a text field for maximum flexibility. Use email or number fields only if you need strict formatting. Once created, drag and drop it higher up the list. This order is reflected everywhere, on the guest profile, the check-in app, your guest lists, and even reports. Now let's look at the default fields. We have a full name field, and also separate first name and last name fields. Check-in Packs supports both. Some events have first name and last name combined in one Excel column. Then you use the full name field. Others use two separate columns. Then you use first name and last name. You can completely deactivate fields you do not need. They will disappear everywhere, not just in the list view. In our case, we deactivate the full name field and the phone number field. I can now preview the displayed fields and order in the check-in app by clicking the preview button. I actually want to show type in this quick view. To do this, I need to make it visible by clicking the eye icon. Save it. Then check the preview again. And here it is. We recommended to make 5 to 6 fields visible for the check-in app. All other data fields will show up in the guest profile. Now, let's open the check-in app on our iPad. Looking good. I see my guest's first last name, company, type, and status. And all other fields are in the profile. Phone number is deactivated. I think we are ready for check-in. Thanks for watching and happy planning.